it's Amanda from scrimpymummy.co.uk, and I'm just showing you some of the items that is going to be in my September Stampin' Selections kit. And it's based around this stamp set and this suite, which you will see in the new catalogue when you get it in your little handies. And the suite is called Santa's Workshop, so everything coordinates, everything matches, it's amazing. So this is the stamp set, which you can add to your kit at an extra cost. There is also thinlets, which cuts out all of these shapes as well. If you want to add those, if you add the bundle, which is the stamp set and the thinlets, you get an extra freebie. Okay, so that is, look how cute these are. I can't wait to stamp them. So you're going to get some of the Santa's Workshop Memories and More cards. I don't want to open them yet, to be honest. And there's lots of these characters throughout and lots of other yummy goodies in there. Okay, you're also going to get sample packs of both lots of embellishment. These are Santa's Workshop embellishments and these are red rhinestones. There's going to be some of the Poppy Parade woven ribbon in there, which is brand new in the catalogue. Beautiful. We've got this gorgeous DSP, and you will also get the matching cardstock. Let's just have a quick look at this. So you're going to get half a pack of the 12x12 DSP. Oh, that is gorgeous. It's embossed. Is that one? So it must be a speciality paper. Stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. The first time I've seen it out of the packet myself. Really, really lovely. Oh, look at this one. That is snowman, and these is all, it's raised and textured, I think, as well. I think it's like, you know, like flocked, like velvety effect. Yeah, it is. And I think those snowflakes are as well. And then we've got plain on the other side. How awesome is that? So it's textured and embossed. And look at these cute little characters. How much fun are they? Cut a strip out of those, make a ribbon out of it. Mine's wandering already. The other side's plain red dotter. Brilliant. And then this one's got trees on it and rocking horses and the little characters climbing up the tree there. Brilliant, I love it. And then this one, that is, it's flocked, it's like velvet effect to the touch, so it's textured. Beautiful, really, really pretty. And then here we've got another lovely character one, so you can cut these little fellas out. And again, the white elements on the boxes and on their hats, all the white bits on there are textured, like velvety. Really, really lovely. And on the back there you've got candy canes, so you're going to get half a pack of that. And you're also going to get the new Santa sacks, which are awesome. Now, little cloth bags that you can put treats in. You can stamp on these. You stamp on them and then you heat set it. You can add your paper tags to it. You can do what you want to them. They're awesome. I'm also going to be adding one or two of these. I'm not sure how many's going in yet. Haven't fully decided. But these are the new baker's boxes. And if I just show you, when they fold out, they've got an acetate window in the lid, so that'll all fold together and then you'll have a see-through lid, and they're a lot bigger than the normal baker's boxes, so you can make some lovely sets. I've got some really good ideas for these. So that's a selection of what will be in the kit. There may be other items as well. There will be the coordinating cardstock as always, along with the Memories and More cards. I might see if I can get my hands on some more of the cards and envelopes that match. We've got red ones, so check out my blog at scrimpymummy.co.uk, because by the time I have put my blog up, I'll have the full list of everything that's in the kit. This is a selection of it. I'm pre-filming before I go on my family holiday. So I don't have absolutely everything here yet. It hasn't all arrived. But there you go, you can see a selection. So if you fancy one of those kits so that you can start your Christmas crafting in September, not too early, it's not as bad as starting it in July, then you can email me at amandacharlesworth08@gmail.com. They are £21 posted. They're always the same price. You always get the same awesome deal. You always get it beautifully packaged, and I decorate the internal packaging with the stamp set and the papers. So make sure that you order one in plenty of time. If you'd like to add any further products to your kit, you can, and save on postage. Nothing's a problem. So get in touch and order your kit as soon as you can. I close the order book around about the 14th of every month, because I aim to have them posted out by the 3rd or the 4th week in the month at the latest. Because I like people to get their yummy goodies as quick as possible. So if that interests you, go on over to scrimpymummy.co.uk and check out my blog. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas!